Hello everyone, it is Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, BG Heyyy. The song is Hey Love, the artist is Stevie Wonder, and the choreography is Darlene Johnson Barsby. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. One, two, three, four. And there you go. BG Heyyy Love. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.